Hi, I want to show you today another ephemera pack that I made, and this one I call Rose Garden, and it's a folder that I made using a vintage book page, and I made a collage on the front, and there are two pockets, and let me show you the things that are inside the pockets. There are at least 25 pieces in total, and 14 of them I made or I decorated. So I want to show you. There is this small pocket, and there's the journaling card front and back, and also I decorated the back. There are two tags. This tag has a little pocket in the front, and this tag, it's a little larger, and I made this page pocket, so I made a collage here, and there is a little journaling card, and it's a large pocket, and it's a floating pocket, so you can use inside your journal anywhere you want, or you can actually glue it to a page and make a pocket here or a pocket in the top. And then there are a few cut out pieces from vintage Rose Garden book. There is a glassine bag that I made with some smaller pieces of floral images. A mini booklet with different pages. There are two of the nature cards, the journaling cards I like to make, and there are collages in the back. Then there is a envelope that I decorated, and there is a card that goes inside the envelope that I decorated with collage. And there are at least 5 book pages from vintage books. And I made this ephemera pack. You can use in your journal, or you can give someone as a present, or you can use some of the pieces are snail mail, happy mail. So they are all decorated with collages, and I used a variety of papers, vintage book pages, music sheet pages. I used some vintage fabric, and I used some scrapbooking paper. So this is my ephemera pack, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.